Hello!
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. And it's back on Bob's tub.
Yay.
But tonight, hopefully, this is going back on the body. So we've got some little rubber. Have you got a rubbery thingy? Those.
Rubber pad. Rivets.
There you go, riveted on. So that's what we're doing. So we're putting those pads on. Once that's done, then we can drop it on, can't we?
Yeah, I mean, as easy as that. I mean, these little rubber pads on the chassis, there's little feet, and these rubber pads, the fingers aren't to scale, sit on the thing.
Chassis?
Foot of the chassis. Chassis foot. Mm-hmm.
It's been Christmas.
It's been Christmas. I don't know whether you'd tell. They sit on the chassis feet and stop it from vibrating, rattling and making noise.
Yes.
So that's the first thing we're going to do.
We've got quite a few bits tonight, and we're going to try and get the diff pan back on.
Yeah, diff pan back on. We'll probably do that before we put the tub on so we can get good access to it.
Are we going to talk about the TDI?
I think so. There's a very sexy engine out there for a future project.
The next project.
The next project. So that's going to be put onto a stand tonight, which we'll film, but you won't see that in this video, unfortunately. Ooh. Ooh. Are you enjoying the content? Leave a like and a comment down below.
Well, follow us over on Instagram. If you fancy.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
Andy's here from artwork by Andy _ it's in the link. He's got a little gift for Dave.
Yeah, so I, as promised, I said I'd do a little bit for you.
Oh, look at that, it's mint. We made Bob great again. Check that out.
That's come out really well, hasn't it?
There's, look.
Even though I do look like it.
Look at that, look how good that is.
That's true.
Cheers, Andy, that's awesome, dude.
Yeah, mate, well done.
Right, so put some footage in of Andy, artwork by Andy, who did the diff pan cover for us, and it is mint. So it says, "We made Bob great again," and it's got a picture of Liam and a picture of me stoned. I'd just come out of the paint booth, I wasn't stoned. Don't recommend doing drugs. And
Shall we take the old one off first?
that would be wise,
That's
wouldn't
a
it?
good idea, isn't it?
So we're going to put this on because it'll be easier to get it on now before we put the tub on. But yeah, massive shout out to Andy, artwork by Andy on Instagram. He's done some work for Hammond and the smallest cog as well, so he is he's doing really well, and you can see why. Going to get the old seal off because that's still on there.
Oh yeah.
Take two. I haven't got any positive engagement. What's it got in it? Oh, fuck off.
Oh, it's slippy. It's not going well, is it?
I've lost it. Oh, I think I'm in.
I'm in.
Oh. Okay, so we were trying to put the gasket onto the axle, and actually
Mick turned up 2 seconds later and said, "Why don't you just put it on the diff pan?" And we both looked at each other and went,
yeah, that's a good idea.
That's a really good idea, actually. Right, so now we're going to fill it with some EP90. I know this is fascinating to watch, but I guarantee somebody will comment that we've not filled the diff. So I just want to point out we're filling the diff.
Shall I bring the camera out?
Well, it's recording at the minute.
Oh, so you got me whistling.
Yep.
Yep.
And you're dropping the bolt. So we're going to, what we're going to do now, fit the breather, which goes here. Dave's been and cleaned up the bolt and the banjo.
Put that in the...
On goes the breather. Does this say it goes that way?
It does.
Bless her.
Santa is currently rewrapping the wiring loom.
Very therapeutic, this. It's also incredibly annoying.
With Tessa tape.
Tessa tape is phenomenal. It's not sticky, but it sticks to itself. All joking aside, it is very important that we mention that Britpart does keep these vehicles on the road. And we do jest, and we do we do make fun out of them, but they do keep the vehicles on the road. It allows us to buy parts that we have to replace every month.
It keeps us as skilled mechanics.
Yeah, because we have to change them all the time.
Yeah.
Because they're shit.
Muscle memory.
Yeah.
So actually, it just makes us better at what we do.
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks, Britpart.
Jokes. If you want to sponsor us, we'll start saying nice things. No, we won't.
I know where we're at.
So my colleagues
There you go.
are installing P-clips, which will hold the loom.
Not only P-clips, David, insulated
Oh,
for less chaffing.
Nobody wants a chafed
anti-chafing.
chafe thing. Dave, pick it up quick before we get shot.
Can anybody tell me what that wire's for?
I'm going to suggest
This.
it's for the anti-tank gun.
I'm going to say convoy light.
Thank you, David. Someone's got their act together today.
Anti-tank gun. I mean, anti-tank gun would be cool.
Anti-tank gun is cool. I'll give you that.
Well, I mean, it could be wired into that. I've always got to spoil my fun.
Right, we've finished faffing on the chassis now. Everything is done. And it's time to move stuff out of the way. So, Forky's now up there. Got a nice lightweight
we,
and
Do you want a
Pinky is
stream
just gonna
putting
get
this back on?
ooh, width back as well.
Yeah.
We've got some space. We're going to shunt Bob back. Then we should be able to
Well, it's up to you. It's your stream, mate. I just wondered whether you wanted
bring
to.
him out from the booth, the tub, and then sit it on the chassis, sort of over here-ish, hopefully.
And clear at the back. Let's go back this way.
It's easier.
Yeah.
We're just taking Bob for a drive, keeping him loosened up.
Gearbox feels nice.
It does, feels lovely.
Do you?
Right,
Right.
we're gonna lift the tub out onto there, and then onto there. So you're gonna hear some grunting.
Neck.
Where are you lifted it from?
Holding it on the arch. Fucking hell, Dave. Hey, hope Mick's got it all.
Watch the airline. Would you be like a fat cunt?
I, however, mind the tub. Mind the tub. I'm stuck on the door. I'm stuck.
Sierra.
Fucking hell.
Might need some touch-ups.
Stop there. Okay.
Just get around that
Never
mirror.
used the forklift, you know.
Yeah, we could. Oh, I'm stuck on the streaming trolley.
90 degrees.
Well done, chaps. Oh my god. This wrist. Oh. Yep. So tub is out now on the trestles. We're going to lift it onto the chassis, and this is an exciting moment, but is also going to be quite scary, I think, a little bit.
Yeah.
That is better, actually.
Oh, fuck man, straight away.
Not better. Not better.
So it's going to go towards Leeham. Hang on, we're offset at the front. Side up here. Going. Going. You in?
Just bit in as well. Yes. Yes. Woo-hoo!
High five. High five.
There's too many hands.
Shit.
Yes, look at that. That looks mint.
Sorry.
So in the last video, you would have seen us celebrating our Tetrasil undersealing, but what we couldn't see was this end was up in the air, and we've got overspray on the panels, but you say that
top, was it?
brake cleaners
yeah.
It's the only bit
removing
I
it.
didn't cover because it was going on so well. I thought it'll be fine.
Is it coming off?
Yeah, it's coming off.
So brake cleaner, if you get any Tetrasil overspray. So tub is seated. We're very happy about it. Liam's got the overspray off using brake cleaner. Now we're just going to put some bolts in on the cross member to tub.
So you want?
We're not going to do them up tight because we'll probably have to readjust, aren't we, at some point? But-
We'll pinch them, but only pinch them.
Right, Liam is just working on the secret TDI engine for the next project. Down here then, Bob is looking mighty fine now because he's got his tub back on and he's looking sweet. So let's have a quick gander. Look at that. Bob is actually starting to look like a landy again. How awesome is that? So tub's on, right faff getting the bolts here, through the bolt, getting the bolts through the tub, behind those fuel tanks, and then getting your hand up underneath and getting the nut on, absolute faff. So that was not an enjoyable process. That's done now, apart from one on this side, which we need to drill new holes because it didn't quite line up with the bracket that we welded on. But the cross member at the back's done. Door gaps are slightly off, but we're not too concerned because we can do some shimming and move it around. But that's why we've got the tub on first. And then what we'll do is when we get the doors in position, we can then start moving things about and we can move stuff forward this way. Whereas if we'd built it from the front back, you're kind of limited at where that tub can go because you've got your cross member at the back. So everything looking pretty good. We did have a slight panic moment when we put the tub on and we thought we'd mounted the cross member in the wrong place because the tub was shunted forward, didn't line up and all that, but a bit of jiggery pokery and we've got it pretty good. So yeah. Exciting. So now I think it'll feel like there's a lot of progress because we'll start bolting stuff back on, and it was really nice tonight getting underneath and actually doing some spanner work rather than grinders, sanders and all that, because it's been going on for ages. So really exciting. So thank you very much for watching our video. If you are enjoying the content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us out. We've just reached 2,000 subscribers very recently. Which is incredible that people are actually just interested in watching what we do. We're uploading on every Sunday at the moment, so yeah, if you're looking for some Land Rover content, consider stopping by on a Sunday. And that is it. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.